G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward everybody, and it is September already, time for September Masterclass. What an incredible month I've had, just the most uplifting month, joyful month I have, because of the project I decided to do, I guess, just brought all of the right vibes to me. I have created, as you can see of course from the thumbnails, I have created little Robin, beautiful Robin, from my childhood, and I think I have derived so much joy from this one because as a family too, as I grew older and got married and had children, the animated Disney version of Robin Hood with the fox as Robin just absolutely enchanted me and all of my children. We all as a collective love that movie, and every one of us in our family identify with one of the characters in the movie. I'm told by my children that I am Mother Rabbit. So there you go. I thought, you know, I'd like to think I'm Mad Marian, but you know, never mind. Mother Rabbit probably makes sense. But look, I have had really just a joyful month, and I'm really happy to be able to share it with all of you. I hope that joy you know, continues on to all of you and you feel it as well. It's a big project this month, so much to make, so many little bits and pieces that go with him. Let's have a closer look at my beautiful Robin. So allow me to introduce you to my sexy Robin. Isn't he just absolutely handsome? He's so handsome. I've had just the best month making this one, as I said. A beautiful project to make, just full of joy. It was a very calming month for me this month. I don't know why. He just brought such good vibes to my workroom. So this guy's made up completely in felt, and we have just a synthetic tail. So you'll need some fur for the tail. Everything, you get the patterns for everything here. We've got a lovely little felt archer's bow. We have a quiver, let me show you at the back here, a gorgeous quiver, and we make some lovely arrows back there. He's got a tunic, he's got an undershirt, he's got leggings, beautiful boots, and a sensational hat. The work involved in this one is really lovely in that it's very animated, and I have made him animated intentionally. If I wanted to make him realistic, I could. I didn't want to. And this just works so well with the felt. So some lovely needle felting to do here. Sculpted nose, he's fully jointed of course, also ball jointed elbows and knees, and just a true collector's item. I know that some of you are going to be looking at him thinking, oh, I could make him Maid Marian, and certainly you could. You could make a girl version. And that would be amazing. But there's so many elements to this one. I take you through it all. You get all of the patterns. I'm going to show you how to make every last bit of him. He has been an absolute joy for me. I'm happy to share him with all of you. So thank you all for joining me and having a look at my beautiful Robin. I hope he brings you joy just like he did to me. And I hope anyone out there who's struggling at the moment, I'm sending all my love to you. A big shout out to beautiful Carol J. I am thinking of you, Carol, and just wishing you a better month this month. I hope Robin has cheered you up. I hope he's cheered up everybody like he has me. So I'm looking forward to your results with this one. It's nice to see some little cowboys coming along, and I'm really enjoying seeing all of the different colours. I think that there might be some Maid Marians coming up with this one. Can't wait to see those. And I pretty much know exactly who's going to do that. I kind of feel like haven't we got a great family now? A great Pay It Forward family. So love to you all. Stay safe everyone. Look forward to some little videos coming up on Pay It Forward right here for free patterns. Also, I'm about to do a live. I know, right? My first live. I'm so nervous. But my two daughters are going to be here with me. So they'll be part of the live. And particularly Dallas is going to walk me through it because she does them all the time. So she's a pro. So look forward to that. I probably won't be able to announce it, but we will certainly be doing more of those. And once I get more skilled, I will certainly be popping up whenever I can, and you can join me just in everyday workings in my workroom. It's a great way to connect, and I'm looking forward to doing that. So keep talking to me, everybody. Contact me via Instagram if you want to chat to me. So many of you do. Love to you all. Have a fantastic creative week, and remember to pay all of those good things forward. Till next time, it is hooroo from me.